Hey guys, if you're looking for an ATST, this is the Lego set you're looking for.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
And look, it's BB-8 driving the ATST. This is the droid we're looking for. And this set also comes with some other cool minifigures. And look, it's Captain Phasma. Don't go anywhere, I'll be back in a second to build this. Hey guys, it's Bernie at Lucas TV Toys, and today I've got one of the brand new Lego sets that just released January 1, 2018, and it's called the Lego Star Wars First Order ATST. This is for ages 8 to 14. The set number is 75201, and it has 370 pieces. Let's look at the back. On the back, it shows 4 pictures of the features the set can do, and then it shows a big action scene with Phasma, BB-8, and Finn in a spy costume, same with Rose up on this platform. Remember the scene from The Last Jedi where BB-8 was driving the ATST? That was a really cool scene. I really liked it. Well, now let's open this box and see what's inside. In this box we've got nothing? No, I'm just kidding. Of course Lego wouldn't do that to me. I hope. Here we've got bag 1, the instruction booklet, bag 2, bag 3, and the stickers. Now let's start building this. Here's the completed set. First, I'm going to tell you the features, then I'll give you a close-up look at the minifigures. So let's do the elevator before we do the ATST. So let's move the minifigures aside. But let's keep Rose on. So here is the elevator, and it actually works. So it can go here, and then if it wants to get someone on the elevator, it goes to the bottom. Then it goes here, it can go here, and then the top floor, right here. And I like how they added that red part here, it looks pretty cool. Well, I put Rose on this lift because that's how they pictured it on the box, but it would be more accurate if Finn was on it, because they had this really cool scene where Captain Phasma and Finn were fighting each other, but then it looked like Phasma beat Finn and then threw him off an edge, but then he slowly came up on this lift. So I think that's what it really is. So that would be more movie accurate. It was a really cool scene. It was very exciting too. Now let's go over the ATST. Well, here's the ATST, but actually I did lots of other ATSTs. The latest one they put out was from Rogue One. That one was a really cool set. Here's the link to it right over here. And in that video, I went over the original ATST, the very first ATST they came out with. That was really cool. And actually, for this year's Advent calendar, they came out with a mini ATST. You can see the little guy right over here. And if you missed any of the days, because I put out each day of December a different day for the Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, each day in a row. So if you missed any of them, go in and check it out. Now back to this ATST. If you're wondering why this ATST is kind of weird, it's because in the movie they had this really cool scene where BB-8 was driving the ATST, but while he was driving it, the head tore off of it. But I'm not going to spoil anything else for you if you didn't watch the movie. But if you did watch the movie, you know what I'm talking about. But let's talk about the features of this. So the first feature is that the rest of his head that's still on there, can actually move. It can go all around, and if you lift this up a little, it can go all around. But like this, it can't really. But also this can move up and down, and as you can see, there are some missile launchers, and you can shoot them. 1, 2, 3, shoot! Uh-oh, that was not the best one. Let me try again. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! And BB-8 is on top of that, but let me take him off so you can get a better look at it. So here's a control panel. And then that's where the driver that's supposed to drive the ATST is supposed to sit right there. But BB-8 somehow got in it. He snuck in the ATST. And then we get him back in there. So, uh-oh, this failed. And the legs can actually move. Like that. And this came off again. But it can move forward, and backward. Okay, what's with this one piece? It doesn't want to stay on. Now you don't go off again, okay? In previous LEGO ATST sets, the feet can move. But in this one, it doesn't, so you don't have as many posing options. So this is the only way you can actually make it stand. And this piece, once again, fell off. So this is basically the only way you can make it stand without falling over. And oh wait, I just noticed this. Actually, you're supposed not to move it like that. You're supposed to move it from the back. I did not notice that before. Okay, that's neat. So you can move it around with this piece right over here. Now let's talk about the minifigures. Here we've got Finn. Finn is in his First Order officer spy outfit. He's got all gray with a black belt. He has his gray First Order officer hat, and it actually has a First Order symbol on it, which is pretty cool. You can see that his belt is actually on the back too. He has black gloves, and he has cool details on his shirt and pants. And he has one face, and his face is straight, not happy or sad, but in the scene where he was in, he was mad. Here we've got Rose. Rose is also in a First Order officer spy outfit, but instead of being dark gray, it's dark blue. You can see that her belt is the same from Finn, and it continues to her back. She also has black gloves. She has cool-looking dark blue pants with some wrinkles on her dark blue shirt, but the pants are plain. And she's got two faces. One looks happy. Her other face is mad. Like someone just stole her sandwich. Where's sandwich? And she's got a dark blue Imperial officer. Not Imperial officer. The Empire is gone. It's a First Order. She's got a First Order hat. But then what makes it cool is that it has her black hair attached to it. That's one cool hat. Here we've got BB-8. BB-8 is one of the more simple minifigures. He's basically two pieces, the head and the ball. He's got orange and gray patterns all around on his white body. Last, we've got Captain Phasma. Captain Phasma is a very cool minifigure. She's probably the favorite out of all of them in this LEGO set. She's got a red stripe on her black cape. She's got a silver and black utility belt, and the rest of her armor is silver. And in the movie, Finn called her Chrome Dome. So maybe she's chrome, but silver and chrome is basically the same thing. And she's got a very cool looking silver helmet, and underneath the helmet is no face at all. It's just black. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this Lego set, then click the like button and share it with your friends because it's a great way to support the channel. And leave me a comment down below. Did you watch Star Wars The Last Jedi yet? Did you like it or not? I love hearing from you guys. And subscribe to Lucas TV Toys because if you like toys, then you're like me. And if you're like me, then you love toys. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are some of my other videos. And I know you're gonna love them. So go ahead and watch them.